How to remove moles, skin tags, warts, spots and blackheads, easily and naturally. Most skin issues are caused by hormonal imbalances, aging, and skin breakouts. Most people with skin problems rely on commercial cosmetic products. Not only they are pretty expensive, but they do not provide the desired results as well. Moreover, they are packed with compounds that are harmful to your health. The good thing is that you can easily get rid of blackheads, skin, warts, moles, and tags by using natural remedies. How to get rid of moles naturally? There are many factors that can cause skin moles, including genetics, hormone fluctuations, and sun exposure. To eliminate them in a natural and efficient way, cut a garlic clove in half and apply it on the skin mole. Let it stand for 4 hours. Repeat this procedure every day. Apple cider vinegar is another natural remedy that can eliminate skin moles. Just soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it on the mole. Secure it with a bandage and let it stand for 8 hours. The regular use of apple cider vinegar will cause the mole to blacken and fall off. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, so make sure to apply moisturizer after using ACV. Castor oil can also help to eliminate moles. Just mix a few drops of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture on the mole and let it stand for a few hours. Repeat this procedure every day for 1 month. How to get rid of skin tags naturally? Skin tags are caused by aging, genetics, friction, and endocrine syndromes. Skin tags usually appear on the eyelids, neck, upper chest, near the genitals, under the arms, under the breasts, and the armpit region, on places where friction and moisture are common. Apple cider vinegar can help to remove these benign skin growths. Just soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it directly on the skin tags. Secure it with a bandage and let it stand overnight. To eliminate skin tags on the eyelids, use diluted tea tree oil. It is natural and safe for your eyes. Soak a cotton ball in water and add 2 to 3 drops of diluted tea tree oil. A topical application of iodine can eliminate the skin tags. You should apply iodine directly on the skin tags. You can first apply coconut oil, then soak a cotton ball in iodine and apply it on the tags. Repeat this procedure 2 times a day. How to get rid of warts naturally? Warts are small skin growths that can occur everywhere. Fortunately, there are natural remedies to get rid of warts. For example, you can try with bananas. Just rub a banana peel on your warts. Repeat this procedure for a few weeks. Honey is another effective remedy. Just apply it to your warts and let it stand overnight. Baking soda has potent anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties and can effectively prevent viruses responsible for warts. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with white vinegar and apply the paste directly on your warts. Repeat this procedure 2 times a day. You can also mix baking soda and castor oil. Apply the paste on the wart and secure it with a bandage. Let it stand overnight. In the morning, rinse with water. It is recommended to repeat this procedure until your warts fall off. How to get rid of dark spots naturally? Dark spots are usually caused by aging, hormonal fluctuations, facial hair removal and excessive sun exposure. However, you can get rid of them in a natural way. Just mix apple cider vinegar and onions and apply the mixture to the dark spots. Let it stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with water. To get the best results, repeat this procedure every day. Aloe vera is another effective natural remedy that can help to remove skin tags. Just apply aloe vera on the dark spot and let it stand for 30 minutes. You can also remove dark spots by using lemon juice. It is very important to dilute it with water because when used in its concentrated form, it can damage your skin. Squeeze a lemon into a bowl and make sure to use equal parts of lemon juice and water. Soak a cotton ball in it and apply it on your face. Let it stand for 20 minutes, then rinse it with water. How to unclog pores naturally? The busy lifestyle and constant stress can increase your risk of skin impurities. However, there are different ways to unclog your pores. Bring water to a boil, and once it boils, turn the pot aside. Pour the water into a bowl and put your head over the steam. Cover your head with a towel and stand over the steam for 20 minutes. Then, mix water and apple cider vinegar and rinse your face with this mixture. Baking soda can exfoliate your skin and cleanse your pores. Mix 1 teaspoon of water with baking soda. Apply the paste to your face by making circular movements. Let it stand for 5 minutes, then rinse with water. Repeat this procedure once a week.
Yeah.